Greetings, children of God. This is a biblical financial wisdom that still works today. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, Financial Wisdom from the Bible. Timeless lesson that still apply today. Whether you are religious or not, the Bible is filled with profound and practical financial advice on debt, savings, generosity, stewardship, and more. Yes, in just few minutes, we will explore a few powerful verses and how you can apply them to build a healthier financial life actually. So today we are going to read Proverbs 22 verse 7 says, "The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is a slave to the lender." The Bible warns us that debt can enslave us. That is true. Debt can enslave us. While not all debt is bad, like a home mortgage or business loan, these two are not bad. Pay loans, credit card debt, and impulsive borrowing can put us in bondage. I hope you are watching and listening. Let me give you a tip before I continue. Pay off high interest debt first. Live within your means. This is my tip. Let's read Proverbs 21 verse 20. "The wise store up choice food and olive oil, but fools gulp theirs down." The wise don't spend everything they earn. They save and prepare for the future, whether for emergency or retirement. They save, the wise. They don't just squander all the money they get every month end. They save. That is the wise. Let me give you a tip again. I'm a mother tip today. I'm no more Pastor Emina. I'm mother tip. Let me give you a tip. Build an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months expenses. That's the tip. Let's read Proverbs chapter 11 verses 25 up to 24 up to 25. Yes. It says, "One person gives freely, yet gains even more. Another withholds unduly, but comes to poverty. A generous person will prosper." Yes. I always say to people, when you give freely, you get freely in abundance from God. And generosity doesn't make you poor. Let me be clear. Generosity doesn't make you poor. In fact, it enriches your life and opens doors. I love giving. I just give anything I have in our church. Giving helps others and also shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Yes, from scarcity to abundance. Just imagine. Let me give you a tip again. Give regularly, whether it's your own church, a charity, or someone in need. Just give. If your neighbor says, "My neighbor, In Africa, we say, Maki, I don't have bread today. Don't you have only 10 rands? Borrow me, I'll give you month end. If you do have that 10 rands, give it to her or him. He will bring it back. He is borrowing, he's not asking. If you give it to him or her freely, you don't want it back, just say so. Maki, this is the money, but I don't need it for now. You can take it, don't bring it back. Because why? In your heart, my God will provide. Yes. Let's read Proverbs 10 verse 4. Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. Financial success doesn't usually come by luck. Let's be honest. Financial success doesn't usually come by luck. It takes consistent work, discipline, and persistence. We work for money. We are not just lucky to have money every month end. No, we work for money. Let me give you a tip. Take your work seriously. And I'm saying it. I worked until 60 years. So I'm on pension now. I'm eating my money, not somebody's money. Because I knew that I must work until I retire. After my retirement, I still have to eat. I still have to do some things at home. So the money I get now is for food. But I got the money there some 60 years back. I got money for a house, for furniture, for school. So my kids are now old now. Last born is 35 years. My last born. So I'm buying food for me only. So this is a good thing. Take your work seriously. Let me tell you something. There is no more manna from heaven. You don't just close your eyes, pray, and manna from heaven just flow. No. Pray and work. Prayer without action is zero. Prayer without action is zero. Pray for more strength and wake up and go to work every day. You heard me. Let's read Hebrews chapter 13 verse 5. It says, keep your life free from the love of money and be content with what you have. Let's continue. Contentment is key. Chasing more money for its own sake can leave you stressed and empty. Don't chase money. Work for money so that you can buy some things at home, pay school fees for your kids, and pay medical bills, and pay, what do they say in the city? Those municipality, the rates. We don't have rates at the village. But at the city, where my daughter stays, they do have rates. They pay rates. You pay bond, you pay rates. You buy food. You pay school fees for your kids. So take your work seriously. Focus on what you do have for now. Budget wisely. Luke chapter 14 verse 28 says, suppose one of you want to build a tower, won't you first sit down and estimate the cost before you build that tower? Yes, you sit down and estimate the cost. How much will I spend for the labor, for material, for everything? You don't just wake up and start to build. No. You sit down and first count the cost. How much will it cost this tower? Yes. Create a monthly budget and track your spending. Planning is biblical, let me tell you. Planning is biblical. Yes. Don't spend blindly. Don't spend your money blindly. Know where your money goes every month end. Know where your money goes. If you get your money weekly, every Friday, know where your money goes. And create a monthly budget or a weekly budget and track your spending. Use tools like apps or spreadsheets. Yes, they can help you. Let's read Matthew 25 verse 14. It says, in the parable of the talents, a master entrusts his servants with resources and rewards those who manage them wisely. This is a parable. Let's go to lesson. What are you learning from this? What are you learning from this? Everything you have, money, talents, time, is God. We are called to be faithful stewards, not careless owners. When coming to money, I'm very strict. My kids used to say, Mama, at the age of 70, what are you going to do with the money you get every day? I eat my money. I worked for my money until 60. Now, next year I will be 70. It is still eating my money. My kids doesn't give me money. I eat my own money. I buy makeup with my own money. I do my hair with my own money. Take your work seriously. Tip number last. The last tip. Ask yourself, am I using my resources wisely for good? Just ask yourself one day. So there you have it. Timeless financial principles straight from the Bible. Let me give you few financial principles before I go. I'm just going now. Number 1, avoid debt. 2, save diligently. 3, give generously. 4, work hard. There are no more manna from heaven. Work hard. Pray and work. Number 5, be content of what you are getting. Unless you are still very young, you can read and get more degrees and honors or doctorate or what. But be content of what you are getting every month and budget. Number 6, budget wisely. Did you hear me? Budget wisely. Number 7, the last one. Be a faithful steward, not dishonest one. Be a faithful steward. If this message blessed you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments Which of these do you struggle with the most? Which one of the things I mentioned above do you struggle the most? Do you struggle with budget? Do you struggle with debt? Do you struggle with not giving generously? Just mention in the comment. And turn on notifications for more content on faith and finances. After subscribing, turn on notification bells. I love you all. God bless you. Amen.